respected guests, professors, teachers, respected principals of three great institutions, and all the children and staff. Today is a big day in the Indian history because 50 million girl children are killed, 5 crore in a year in India. They are out from the population of India. This is one of the first attempt to save some girls from the death. It is very difficult attempt. Impossible things are possible. It is very difficult to make it. But with God's grace, we can do something great for the Lord. Now we are going to lay down a foundation stone for Amit Memorial Save the Girl Child building. Here on the ground floor, there will be an auditorium, air conditioned. The floor will be granite with a kitchen, office, clinic, and storeroom. This is the beginning. And the cost will be big, but we are not thinking about it. We go forward. To obey what God says. You know, in the Bible, Jesus told disciples, you go and untie a donkey. And Jesus also said, if anybody asks you, where do you untie a donkey? Say to them, Jesus needs it. No explanation, no reasoning, no calculation, no budget. If somebody asks me, why do you do this? I have to say, Jesus needs it. I don't have any explanation. I don't know how he will be built. I have only 2 green signals. The 2 green signals I'll tell you. One is Danya. Danya, come here. She has come from Switzerland. She is coming in Guri last 1.5 years. She is from an ordinary family in Switzerland. I had been in her home during the last month for a lunch. She stays in the border area of Switzerland and Germany. She had a vision. She has no money, but she has a vision. And here she had a dream. So can she save one child? That is the question God asked her. So she is here without knowing anything to help newborn girl child. She has all basket and vehicle and all these things, but no children. So let me tell you, this gave me a glimpse support for my vision. Maybe this is from God. It's not my hallucination. It's not my exaggeration. You know, many people have hallucination. So I also have hallucination. So people may job is always in a hallucination. But after some time, it becomes a reality. The job is always in a hallucination. But after some time, it becomes a reality. But on 24th June, 11 o'clock, the ground floor for Save Girl Child will be inaugurated. I have invited her son to come, and many people will be here for the conference. So first day on the conference, this building, 1 floor only. Actually, we are going to have 4 floors. But it will take time, it will take a lot of money, but one floor we will complete with her money. That is the idea. And then we start taking children. In the beginning, these two will help. They have to do everything for these children. But in future, we don't know. I started this orphanage with 30 children. We never thought it will be more than 500 children. So it is all God's plan. Now, on the behalf of you and for the glory of God and for saving newborn girl children, I am going to lay down this foundation with the help of Manikuti and Dhanya.